Assalamu alaikum. Today, I want to speak to you gently. This message is for you if you feel weak when learning English, if you feel tired, if you feel slow, if you feel like giving up. Please listen calmly. Feeling weak does not mean you are failing. Feeling weak means you are human. Every learner feels weak sometimes. Even the strongest people have moments of doubt. But weakness is not the end. Weakness is a signal that you need hope. And Islam is a religion of hope. Allah never tells us to lose hope. Never. Hope is part of faith. When you feel weak, Allah is close. He does not leave you because you are struggling. He is nearer when you are broken. Learning English is not easy. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes courage. And sometimes it takes tears. You may feel weak because you forget words. You may feel weak because you cannot speak fluently. You may feel weak because others seem better than you. All of this is normal. Please understand this clearly. Struggle does not mean Allah is unhappy with you. Struggle often means Allah is teaching you, teaching patience, teaching humility, teaching consistency. Allah does not test those He hates. He tests those He loves. Your struggle has value. Your effort is seen. Even when no one encourages you, Allah sees you trying. Every time you open a book, every time you listen to English, every time you repeat a sentence, Allah knows. Nothing is wasted. Feeling weak can make you think, I am not good enough. But who told you that? Allah created you with ability. He gave you a mind that can learn. He gave you a heart that can grow. You are not useless. You are not incapable. You are just in the middle of the journey. The middle always feels heavy. Beginnings are exciting. Endings are rewarding. But the middle is where most people quit. Do not quit in the middle. This is where strength is built. When you feel weak, do not run away. Slow down, breathe, and take one small step. Hope grows in small steps. You do not need to study for hours. 10 minutes with sincerity is better than hours with frustration. Allah loves consistency. Small actions, done regularly, bring big results. When you feel weak, talk to Allah. Say, "Oh Allah, I feel tired. Oh Allah, I feel confused. Oh Allah, help me learn." Allah listens. You do not need perfect words. Speak honestly. Allah understands your heart before your tongue moves. Some learners feel weak because people laugh at them. They make mistakes and others criticize. This hurts deeply. But remember this, people do not define your worth. Allah does, and Allah values effort. The Prophet taught us that Allah looks at hearts and actions, not appearances or accents. Your accent does not reduce your value. Your mistakes do not make you small. Your courage to try makes you strong. Speaking broken English is better than speaking nothing. Mistakes mean you are practicing. Practice means growth. Silence means fear. Choose growth over fear. Feeling weak is not shameful. Giving up is the real loss. Even if you learn slowly, you are still moving. A slow walker still reaches the destination. A person who stops never does. Hope is not loud. Hope is quiet. Hope whispers, "Try again tomorrow."
Listen to that whisper. Shaitan whispers negativity. You can't do this. You are wasting time. You will never improve. Do not listen. Answer with action. Even one sentence today is a victory. Learning English with hope means trusting Allah with the results. You do your part. Allah does His. This is tawakkul. Tawakkul does not remove effort. It gives effort peace. When you trust Allah, you stop worrying about speed. You focus on sincerity. And Allah puts barakah in sincere effort. Barakah means progress you cannot explain. One day you suddenly understand more. One day you speak with confidence. That day comes quietly, but only if you continue. Do not rush yourself. Allah is not rushing you. Why should you rush? Life is not a competition. Learning is personal. Your journey is yours. When you feel weak, remember this. Allah chose you to try. Not everyone tries. Trying itself is a blessing. Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. If you are learning English today, it means you can handle it. You are stronger than you think. Weak moments do not cancel strong intentions. Keep your intention clean. Learn to improve yourself. Learn to help others. Learn to grow with dignity. With the right intention, learning becomes worship, and worship always brings peace. You may fall behind, you may pause, you may feel tired, but do not turn back. Hope is in front of you. Allah is in front of you. Walk slowly, but walk forward.
Many people think strength means never feeling weak. This is not true. Real strength is continuing even when you feel weak. Allah does not ask you to be perfect. Allah asks you to keep returning. Every time you feel weak and still choose to learn, you are building strength inside. This strength may not be visible, but it is real, and one day it will show. Learning English is not only about words and grammar. It is about patience. It is about discipline. It is about believing in yourself when results are slow. These qualities help you in every part of life. When you learn to stay patient here, you become patient everywhere. This is why your effort matters. Some days you will open a lesson and feel tired immediately. On those days, do not force yourself harshly. Be kind. Listen quietly. Read slowly. Repeat gently. Learning with hope means learning with mercy for yourself. Allah is merciful. Learn to be merciful to yourself too. Do not speak badly to yourself. Do not say, I am stupid, I am slow, I am useless. These words hurt the heart. Replace them. Say, I am learning, I am improving, I am trying. Words shape the mind. A hopeful mind learns better. Some learners stop because they do not see quick results. But growth is not always visible. Just like faith, it grows quietly. Allah is working for you even when you cannot see it. Trust that. Trust that your effort today is preparing something better tomorrow. When you feel weak, remember why you started. You wanted confidence. You wanted growth. You wanted better opportunities. Those reasons are still valid. Do not let a temporary feeling erase a meaningful goal. Weakness passes. Hope remains. If you miss a day, do not quit. If you miss a week, do not feel ashamed. Return. Allah loves those who return.
The door is never closed. Learning English is like building a house. Some days you build fast, some days you build slowly, but every brick matters. Do not destroy the house because progress feels slow. Protect what you have built. Continue. Even if your voice shakes, speak. Even if your pronunciation is wrong, try again. Courage grows when fear is faced gently. You are not alone in this journey. Many people feel the same but do not speak. Your struggle connects you to millions of learners, and Allah is with all of you. When Allah is with you, who can stop you? When you feel weak, make this simple dua. O Allah, give me strength. O Allah, give me patience. O Allah, do not let me give up. These words are powerful. They invite Allah's help into your learning. And when Allah helps, no effort is small. Do not worry about perfection. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is comfort. Comfort comes with time. Time comes with patience. Patience comes with hope. And hope comes from faith. If today you can understand only a little more than yesterday, that is success. Celebrate small victories. One new word, one clear sentence, one moment of confidence. These moments matter. They are signs of growth. One day you will look back and smile. You will remember the days you felt weak, and you will realize those days made you strong. So if you are feeling weak today, do not be sad. Weakness is not the end of the story. It is a chapter, and every chapter leads somewhere. Keep learning English with hope. Keep trusting Allah with your journey. Keep moving forward, even slowly. Allah is patient. Allah is kind. Allah is with you. And as long as you do not give up, you have already succeeded.